Hey guys, in today's video, we will see one of the most powerful and important command in Linux called screen. So screen is a must-know command for administrators who work on remote servers using SSH. So let's quickly check what is screen command in Linux. So screen command in Linux provides the ability to launch and use multiple shell sessions from a single SSH session. So when a process is started with screen, the process can be detached from screen and then can reattach the session at a later time. So this seems little complicated, but when we see this process in practical, screen is very simple to use. This is my Windows 11 laptop, and now I will connect to my Linux server in data center. For that, I will open PuTTY and connect to my Linux server. I'll just change the settings. I'll make the size and the font a little bigger. So here we go. I will log in as root. So first we need to check whether screen is installed on our system or not. For that we will type screen and screen command not found. So we will install screen with the command yum install screen space -y. Hit enter. So great. Screen is installed on our system. So let me clear the screen. Okay. So now the first command that you need to remember is this one, screen space hyphen s in caps, then space. Then you need to provide a name for the session. Say I will name it as session 1. So let me explain you what this command will do. So this command will open a new session inside our SSH session. The moment I will hit enter, I will log into that session. So let me hit enter. Now just look at the top left corner. Here you can see it says screen 0 colon root at Linux Tech Hub. So now I am at my session. So if you want to come out from this session, then you need to press Control A and D. So now see, it says detached from session 1. Okay. Now in order to list out what are the screen sessions available, the next command you need to remember is screen space -ls. Hit enter. Now you can see. So we have only one session, and this is the name of the session, and it is in detached mode. So we are now detached from the session. Now we will again log into this session. So the third command that you need to remember is to attach or to log into a session is screen -r in small space and the session name. So I will copy from here and I will paste it here and I will hit enter. Now see, I will log into my session 1. So just see. Now in the top left corner, you notice that it has changed to screen 0. Now let me tell you the advantage. Now say I need to run a command to update my OS. And when I will run this command will take some 40 to 45 minutes to get complete. Now if I run this command without a screen session, so what are the possibilities? Let me tell you. So first let me detach from the screen. So just remember this, or you can note it down. You have to press Control A and D. The moment I press it, see I'm detached from my screen. So let me tell you. Now in normal scenario, say you are not logged into any screen session and you are executing a command which will update your OS, or maybe any command that is a long process, like it will take some 30 minutes or 40 minutes or maybe 1 hour. Okay. So I will type, say, I will just emulate this. Okay. So I will say ping. I will ping 192.168.1.8. So I'm running this command just to emulate. So now this command is a ping command, a simple ping command, and it is, see, the pings are going on. Okay. Now say if there is a network disconnection, okay, if my broadband is down or if there is a power outage, so what will happen? So this entire putty session will go down, right? If I close this, okay, now there is a power outage, or maybe there is a broadband connection issue. So my putty has gone. Now when the power came back, I will just log into my putty. So now see, once I logged back in, I can see the process or the command that I executed is now terminated. So this can be very dangerous. So say you are doing a very important, you are running a very important, command, and if the command gets terminated in between, then there could be a severe damage to your system. So this is very dangerous, right? Now see, the ping command is gone, so that is terminated. So in order to save this, we can use screen. So for that, what we will do is we will open a new session for screen. So we have already seen that command to open a new session, and we will now type screen hyphen ls. So you can see we have already a session, right? So we will log into this session. So the command is screen hyphen r and then the session name, copy paste. So I will provide all these commands in the description box for your reference. Don't worry about that. So I will hit enter. Now I will log into the screen session. Just note the left hand top corner. Now screen 0. Okay. Now from here, I will run the same command. Okay. So now I will say ping. Now I started the same command from here. Okay. Now it is pinging. Now imagine the same scenario. This command is going on and there is a power outage or there is a broadband connection issue. So what will happen? My putty session is disconnected. So I will emulate that. So I will just close this putty and see, are you sure you want to close this session? Yeah. So there is a power outage gone. And maybe after 10 minutes, the power restored. So what I will do, I will again log into the putty. So once I logged in, I can see, oh, what happened? My command is not here. So is that command terminated? Let's check out. Because we executed that command not from the SSH session, but we have executed that ping command from the screen session. So you remember the second command to list out all the screen sessions. So screen space hyphen ls. Okay, so this is my screen session and it is in detached mode. So I will attach. So the command for attached is, I guess you remember. So it's screen space hyphen small r and just copy paste and I will log in. Now just see what happened. Now see. So this is the magic of screen. The command which I executed is still running in the background. The command has not been terminated. So this is the biggest advantage of using screen. And every administrator who are working remotely should use screen to avoid any disruption to their work. Now we will see how to terminate a screen session. So first I will stop this ping command and then within the screen session you need to type exit and press enter. Now see, it says screen is terminating. Now if we type screen space hyphen ls, now you can see it says no sockets found. Okay, that means there are no screen sessions. So the screen session we created is now terminated. Next, we will see a very interesting and useful feature of screen, that is multitasking. So you can do multitasking with screen. That means you can run parallel commands on the same server with the help of screen. So we will see how we can do that. So first we will create one screen session. So for that our command is screen space hyphen s in caps and the session name. So I will type session 1. Press enter. So I'm inside my session. You can see in the top left hand corner, it says screen 0. So I will come out from this session. So the command is, I guess you remember, it's control A D. Okay. So we will list out all the sessions. So we have only one session. Now we will create another session. Okay. So we will type screen space hyphen S in caps and session 2. We will hit enter. Now we are inside our second session. So again, we will come out from this session. Control A, D. Now we will list out. So now here you can see we have two sessions, right? So with screen, you can run multiple sessions, okay? Now say I want to run two commands parallelly and both the commands are lengthy, okay? So if I run the first command, it will take maybe say 1 hour. So in order to run the second command in normal scenario, I have to wait for the first command to finish. However, with screen, I can run both the commands parallelly. So first I will go to session 1. So for that the command is screen space hyphen R and the session. Hit enter. So I'm inside my session 1. So I will type the command ping. Okay. Now here my ping command is going on. So what I will do, I will come out from this session. So control A D. Now again I will list out the sessions. So you can see there are two sessions. Now I will go to my second session. So the command is screen space hyphen R then space and then the second session. So I hit enter. Now I'm inside my second session. So here I say I will run another command. So maybe I will type top. So see now top command is going on. Okay. Now I will come out from this session. Control A D. So again I will list out all the sessions. So see I have two sessions and in both the sessions I ran one command, right? So in session 1 I ran one command and in the session 2 I ran another command and both the commands are running in the background. So this is the biggest advantage of screen. So if I go to session 1, say screen space hyphen R and session 1. So here you can see my ping command is going on. I will come out and then I will go to my second session. So here you see my top command is going on. So both the commands are executing in the background independently. Next, I will show you one more interesting thing, that is how you can run multiple sessions from within a session, which means here I ran both the sessions from the putty, but now I want to run multiple sessions within a session. That means I want to run another session from inside session 1. So how we can do that? For that, first I will log into my session 1. Okay, so screen space hyphen R and session 1. So now I'm inside my session 1 and where my ping command is going on. So now I don't want to disturb this command, but I want to open another session within session 1. For that, you need to press Control A C. We are in another session which is inside session 1. So C is for create. Okay. Now say I will execute another command here. Say I will execute here top. Okay. Now I will press enter. So my top is going on. Now if I want to go back to my ping session, so I simply need to press Control A N. See. And again, if I want to go back to my top session, where the session where I am running top, then I need to press Control A P. So this is very convenient. So you can go back and forth with just some few clicks. So you don't need to come out and then again you don't need to log into another session to see all your multiple commands. So this is a very convenient way of running commands on remote servers with the help of screen. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to create and bring more such useful content. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.